Now we are in Miami, and we're right here at Fasalas, Versailles, in Miami, visiting. So it's overcast weather, a little humid, not too bad.
Where are we at?
Versailles.
There you go.
Yes, in Miami.
Okay.
We ordered some croquettes in order to try the ham croquettes, and we got the Cuban pastry. It's the guava and cheese, and then we got café con leche, Cuban coffee. Okay, good. Cuban coffee. So you pour half of this espresso into your steamed milk.
How would you rate it?
Number 10.
I would go 12. Wow, it's that good. Okay, nice and buttery and flaky. Guava and cheese Cuban pastry.
So good.
Thank you. But this is like a fried. So,
what is it?
Wow. Ham croquette.
Ham?
So good. Look at the crispiness of this.
What is it?
And look at the cheese and the ham and the inside. Word.
So, how would you rate what you had at Versailles in Miami?
100. It is so good here. But the best to me was their Cuban coffee. So good. Okay, so the way that I would view this place is I would give it a top 20. I would give it a top 20 on their coffee, which is Cuban, and their ham with that guava cheese, and crispy on the outside. And then my pastry that I had was guava cheese, like croissant, buttery, flaky, very flaky, but awesome.
And I had the key lime pie and the Cuban coffee. So good. Creamy, rich, that buttery crust, like a graham cracker crust. Just tangy, sweet, creamy all together. And the coffee was rich and robust. I love it.
Thank you, Guillermo. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. So now we are on Bay Shore Drive. There's Fresh Market. We just left the Grove Key Marina, the City Hall. Now we're just working our way down up to South Beach.
up coming back to Versailles because it was so good. So we could get this good coffee again, the croquettes. Cuban sandwiches are coming.
Whole sampler.
A whole sampler.